There are currently 56 million millionaires in the world today, and by 2026, it's estimated that there will be 87.5 million millionaires worldwide. Now, becoming a millionaire is not easy with external action, but there are so-called secrets to becoming one. Here are 7 money secrets to manifesting your first $1 million. The first thing that you must realize about money is that it is a never-ending game. That means you will always be striving for more. Now, don't let that discourage you. What I mean by that is even when you reach your first $1 million, you will keep playing the game and set your next goal for $2 million. You must realize that this isn't a destination, but rather a journey. When you see this, then your journey will be a lot easier because you've completely dropped the mentality of I will be happy when. Understanding that money is a journey that has no end will transform the way you see it for the better, and you will cease the struggle of trying to reach an end goal, which is something that doesn't even exist. Reach the milestones along this endless journey instead. Celebrate the milestones, but let go of the idea that you will only be happy when you make $1 million, because even when you do, then you will set out forth to making $2 million. Now, the second secret is to know when you can't commit to an opportunity. Know that you don't have to have the drive for something in particular. There are endless opportunities out there, and you don't have to do something that you don't have the heart for. Pick something that you know you can commit to. If you can't give something your all, then that particular thing isn't for you. And it's best that you find something that you know you can commit to. The millionaires and billionaires of the world didn't manifest their money on opportunities that they didn't have the heart for. You can't force yourself to take an opportunity that you don't have the heart for, because you'll just end up being miserable. Know that you can manifest doing something that you are truly passionate about, and put your energy into something you love, and the money will flow inevitably. Now, the third secret is that you have to be it in order to see it. That means you must embody the concept of what it means to be a millionaire. Immerse yourself with a wealth mindset. Start telling yourself that if it's possible for these millionaires, then it's possible for me. Start acting like one of them, and then you will start to feel like one of them. Treat yourself to something a little more expensive, and start pretending you are living this life of wealth and abundance. Your subconscious mind will start to feel the realness of it, and then believe it to be true. The only thing that is actually standing in the way of you making $1 million is your perception that it's hard. If you felt like money has always been hard, then it's time to change that perception. And you do that by immersing yourself into the feelings of experiencing what it would be like to be a millionaire by visualizing this as a reality for yourself. When you immerse yourself into this kind of visualization, it will begin to take on what the 20th century manifestation lecturer Neville Goddard calls the tones of reality. And then you will start to believe that it is actually real. Now, the fourth secret is that you absolutely must give no attention to anyone who has a lack mentality about money or anyone who isn't financially responsible. Do not listen to people that say money is scarce, hard, or difficult. You must protect yourself from that scarcity mindset. To be wealthy, you must be financially responsible and be wise with your money. Millionaires didn't manifest their millions by spending it all and being irresponsible with it. They had the mindset that if they could make thousands of dollars and they reinvested it, then they can make millions of dollars. There's no way that you can expect to make $1 million if you continue to give power to the opinions of others that dwell in this scarcity mindset. You must let go of this old self, as Neville Goddard says. Nothing stands in your way of making $1 million except your mindset. So drop anything that would prevent you from thinking that you can have it. Now, the fifth secret is understanding that money is energy. Manifesting $1 is no different than manifesting $1 million. The universe doesn't know the difference. The only difference is your perception of it. If you continue to entertain the idea that money is difficult to come by, then that is what will continue to manifest in your life. If you are afraid to spend money without trust that it will come back to you, then you are only upholding a scarcity mindset. In order to get you more money into your life, you have to trust that it will come back to you when you spend it. The more that you trust it, then the more that it will trust you and come back to you. The energy you feel behind money is how it will show up in your life. If you feel that it is everywhere and there is no shortage of it, then you'll see more of it in your life. Now, the sixth secret is to start seeing abundance everywhere around you. There is an unlimited amount of abundance and money everywhere. At one point, every object that you see in front of you was once purchased with money, so there is no shortage of it. The more you start to see the abundance in your life, then the more you will easily reprogram your subconscious mind to believe that you have it. It will become easier and easier for you. See the money all around you. Look at everything in your life. That is abundance. This mindset will absolutely change your life. Now, the seventh and final secret to making your first $1 million is your self-concept around money. What is your perception of it? How do you see yourself as you relate to money? Do you see yourself as deserving of money? Do you believe that you are good enough? Do you see yourself as successful? Take the time to think about how you relate to money. If it's negative, then start to shift your relationship with it. Watch your self-talk and how you talk about money inside your mind every day and start to shift those thoughts around it. Make this a daily habit and you will see tremendous results very fast. Realize that money is everywhere and that the only thing that is truly standing in the way is how you think and feel about it. Start to become the version of you that has $1 million. You are no different than the millionaires and billionaires of the world, and start to see yourself just like them, and you will inevitably manifest your first $1 million. Implement these secrets each and every day, and you will begin to see more and more money easily flowing into your life. Now, be sure to check out the next video on your screen. And before you do, be sure to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel if you are new.